Hello everyone. Now let's see about the recruitment. Recruiting the right employee is essential and will be a good fit for the organization who will then develop their skills and perform accordingly. Using Seedor, we could efficiently manage and organize the job positions and their applications. For a team to be effective, we need the efficient candidates who can understand their roles and perform accordingly. Now we'll have to go to the recruitment. Here now we could see all the existing job positions that we have. We could also see the number of applications that we have under each job position and how many are to be recruited and the status of it, if it is in the published state or yet to be published, and if the recruitment is still in progress or it needed to be started again. The details can be seen here. Next, we have the filters under responsible persons. Now we can see that under the responsible person admin, we have the job position business coordinator. Similarly, for the responsible person Amsika, we have the job position website developer. Similarly, we could view the others too. Now, for editing a job position, we'll have to go here. And if the recruitment is done for the particular job position, we can click on the recruitment done here itself. And if we want to edit this, we can click on this edit option. Here we can view all the details of the particular job position, the website details, the department details, the location of the job, the description that has been given for this job position, how many new employees are expected, and the interview form, and the responsible person can be mentioned here. At the top, we can see that for this particular job position, how many applications has been received and how many documents are there. Here, we can add the trackers here for knowing the medium of the candidates, and under acting, we could also see the acting employees for this job position. Now, you can also see the status for this job position that the recruitment is still in progress. If you want to stop this, you can stop and the state will change to non-recruiting state. Now, under configuration, we have job positions again. This is the list view of the job positions where we could see the job positions, the department details, the website details, and how many current number of employees, how many are newly expected, and the total forecasted employees, and how many of them are hired. That details can be seen here with their status. You can also view this under Kanban view. And the details like if the recruitment is still in progress or if it is not recruiting, those details can be seen here. Under interviews, we can view all the applications that we have received under each stages. Now, if you are satisfied with the candidate in the initial stage itself, you can make them as employee by clicking on this create employee option. Now, I am viewing an existing candidate. You can view the details of the applicant here, like the contact details, the degree details, the job details, like which job has he applied to, the department details, the branch, and the application summary can be noted here. And who is responsible for this particular applicant and the job. And if he has received any appreciation, then we can mention them here. The source details. If this particular candidate is referred by someone, you can add the name of them here. The expected and proposed salary can be mentioned here. You can also add the extra advantages expected by a candidate here. And the availability can be mentioned here. From which date is he available? That details can be mentioned here. Then the meeting details like the interview. We can also schedule interviews and meetings for this particular candidate and those details can be viewed here. For starting the interview, we can click on the start option. Next, we can proceed the interview process if we are satisfied by dragging them to the next stage in the pipeline, or else you can directly click here itself. Now the particular candidate is moved to the second interview. Now we can see that the particular candidate is moved to the second interview. If we are satisfied with the candidates and if they have crossed the interview stages, then we will move them to the contract proposal and contract sign state. Now I am moving this applicant to the contract sign state. And after this I can create him as an employee. After the confirmation, he will be set as an employee. If I want to refuse him, I can refuse him too. Next, under candidates, we can manage new recruitment for existing users here. We'll have to fill the applicant's details, their department, and the experience. If they have any experience, those details can be mentioned here. The date and their working schedule and their job can be mentioned. Then, if we want to approve this, we can approve and then confirm. Now, under prospects, I could view the approved employees' recruitment. Next, we have the analysis. The overall analysis can be done under the analysis, and we can view the pivot view here and the graph view. Under graph view, we can have bar chart, line chart and pie chart. We could also make customized reports by using our filters and group by options here, and you can also add them in your favorites. Now, if we want monthly analysis, then I can choose the department and the month. Then I can add them to my favorites too. That's how we efficiently manage our recruitment process here. Thank you.